Hi guys, today I'm going to make some cheesy corn dogs. I'm going to start by adding 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 egg and 1 cup of milk to a bowl and mix them well. Mine turned out too thin, so I added a bit more flour. Dip the batter into a tall glass. Slice a couple of hot dogs into equal pieces and some cheese into similar sized cubes. Add them one by one to some skewer sticks. Trim the ends if necessary so they can fit your pan. Dip them in the batter and breadcrumbs. As you can see, my batter was still too thin, so I adjusted the ingredients in the description and you should get the right consistency. Pack the breadcrumbs with your hands to form a nice thick crust. Shallow fry them for 1 minute on each side or deep fry them for 3 minutes. Remove the skewer sticks and enjoy them while they are still warm.